probably will do. So by the time I get out, I'll have close to 12 years. So, later in life, because we have a bunch of doctors who just came in, 50, 55. Kids are all off at college and things are boring.
That's when life gets good.
You have to do another 8 years or so and then have a pension.
Yeah.
On top of whatever else is saved.
I don't blame you. Especially in these times. Is there kind of that night? It's kind of times of peace, so. Yeah, like the winter time.
Who knows?
Branch, where you going?
They're crazy. Yeah, man.
I'm in the army.
Okay. You have to sign up for certain length of time.
Yeah. And then when you renew it, it's usually 3 years.
See if I can see each
I
other.
can go right there. I can look
It
at
was
you.
like behind the tree stump.
Yeah, what did you say over there? Unless she's
Lives
swallowed
video.
something that she shouldn't have in her throat or something.
We gotta teach her to talk. I mean, Bunny.